Furious community. This classroom was burnt during a protest demanding better infrastructure.
We are fighting for our rights. We are fighting for a new school. It's not as if we're fighting for anything else, fighting against them.
It's been going on for almost 10 years. We're into a democracy almost 25 years now, and this is the result of what our great-grandparents fought for.
Dissatisfaction that's exploded into protest. It wasn't long before a standoff between police and protesters ensued. The Department of Education accuses the school governing body of being involved in the protest.
We take a serious concern when coming to the SGB leading a shutdown or participating or even coercing our learners to participate in such activities. Meanwhile, we've been interacting with them.
5 of the protesters will spend the night behind bars.
5 people were arrested, and we understand amongst the suspects, 1 is a councillor. They will be charged with public violence.
It's unclear whether school will commence on Tuesday. Lopang Alamu, SABC News in Ennerdale.